Every morning for 35 years, Dave followed the exact same routine. Wake up at 5:30, have coffee, shirt, tie, and sit in traffic. He built a solid career, paid off his house, raised his kids. From the outside, it looked like the picture of success. But one day, while inching along the N1, Dave noticed something. A man, his age more or less, jogging with his dog through the vineyards. The sky golden, the air calm, and Dave thought to himself, what am I still doing this for? That moment sparked something. He started asking, do I really need to work another 3 years? What if I miss my best years, waiting for a number that may never feel enough? And Dave's not alone. So many South Africans in their 50s and 60s are quietly wondering, could I retire now and actually start living? Today, I want to give you 5 powerful reasons why, if the number makes sense, you should seriously consider retiring sooner than later. Hello everyone, I'm Hardy Swart, a certified financial planning professional and a director at Family Wealth Custodians. Before we dive into today's video, our mission is simple. We want to help over 1 million South Africans live better financial lives. And you can help us by subscribing to our YouTube channel, hitting the notification bell so that you don't miss an episode, and sharing our episodes with friends and family who you think might need it. Quick disclaimer, this video is for educational purposes only. So please consult with a certified financial planner before making any big financial decisions. When we're younger, we trade time and health for money. Long hours, little sleep, high stress. But in our 50s and 60s, something shifts. Time becomes your most valuable asset, and your health, absolutely priceless. Let me show you what I mean. Let's say you're 60. Stats SA says that you've got about 20 to 25 years left. Sounds like a lot, but let's break it down. That's 10 to 15 more holidays with your grandkids. 12 more cycling trips, 20 more brides with your best mate, and maybe 50 more rounds of golf with your spouse. And when it's done, it's done. Here's the hard truth. Every year you delay retirement is just another year of work. It's one less year of living life on your own terms. You've probably heard the phrase, health is wealth. But let's flip it around. Wealth is absolutely meaningless without health. I've worked with dozens of clients over the years who retired early. Within 6 months, what I've seen and what we've noticed from research is that blood pressure drops, weight comes down with a lot of our clients, sleep improves, and they felt like themselves again. One client, Sandra, told me, I didn't realize how much my job was aging me until I stopped. Early retirement isn't about luxury, it's about longevity. It gives you the space to walk, stretch, and eat real food, and actually invest in your well-being. Because here's the question, what's the point of having 10, 15, 20 million rand in savings if your back is gone and your joints can't travel anymore? Early retirement is your best health insurance. We spend decades saying, I'm an engineer, I'm a doctor, I run a company. But you are not your job title. You're someone's father, partner, mentor, coach, and friend. Retiring earlier gives you the space to rediscover who you really are, outside of key performance indicators and Outlook calendars. I know a client who was terrified of the idea of retiring, but now, 2 years later, he's mentoring startups and teaching photography. Another started a permaculture garden and volunteers at a grandkids' school. I think it's super important to remind yourself that retirement doesn't mean you're doing nothing. It means you're doing the things that really matter. Here's the myth. Retirement equals the end. The truth? Retirement equals Act 2. And often it's the best chapter. I know retirees who work part-time on passion projects, start boutique consulting firms, launch YouTube channels, move to the coast and write books, or coach school rugby on weekday mornings. One couple I work with earns approximately 60,000 Rand a month, working just 2 days a week, doing what they absolutely love. No boss, no burnout. Early retirement isn't about stopping, it's about starting on your own terms. And here's the kicker. Most people delay retirement because of fear. I don't think I've saved enough. What if I live to the age of 95? What if there's another market crash? These are all real, valid questions, but they're not deal breakers, especially if you've got a plan. At Family Wealth Custodians, we stress test every scenario. Market crashes, inflation, medical emergencies, longevity, and what we find time and time again is that many South Africans could actually retire today. They just don't know it. If you've got 8, 10, 15 million rand in assets and paid off your home, the maths might already work in your favor. You don't need more, you just need clarity. So what's the takeaway? Retiring early is not about escaping work. It's about designing a life that you don't want to escape from. If you've been wondering if it's time or if you just want clarity, book a discovery consultation with one of our professionals at Family Wealth Custodians. We'll help you to build a retirement plan rooted in peace, purpose, and personal freedom. Like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone in their 50s and 60s that's asking the question, could I retire sooner than later? Because the truth is, you can always make more money, but you can never make more time.